What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 30th of June, we're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance this morning, Sunday morning. Aerodrome Finance continues to bleed out. Got a little pop here in Bitcoin. We'll talk about that real quick. I want to welcome everybody to the channel. Welcome all the new subs. Thanks for all the support. Guys, there is a reason why buying strength in the markets, in my opinion, is a much better play than trying to buy the dip. Why is that? Markets can continue to fade and go much, much lower than one expects. Just like markets can go much, much higher than people expect, it also goes much lower. What if you bought the dip over here at 82? What if you bought the dip over here at 76? Can it work over the long haul in like an index? Yes, it can. But in cryptocurrencies, buying the dip is a dicey game to be playing, in my opinion, guys. But of course, please make your own financial decisions. We have Aerodrome trading at 69 today. We are still in a battle here at the 71 price level. Right here, that's my support that's near the market. So the markets have been playing those levels basically since the 20th, and today is the 30th, and we found support and we bounced, and we're kind of under it right now. Potentially it's going to turn that level into resistance area I mentioned the other day. Keep your eyes on the lows of the 21st. The prices on those are 65. Ideally, you don't want to see that undercut. You don't want to see that undercut. If it does, it just means the prices are still yet going lower, potentially down to 61 is my next. 61,275 is next potential support. 61,275 next potential support if we take out the lows from the 20th at 65 cents. So far, we do have a higher low, but again, it doesn't look very strong right now. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin can bounce, then it should take Aerodrome higher. But yes, we do have a higher low. What I mean is we have the low on the 20th. We have a bounce here, not very strong. Then we're fading. So far, we still have a higher low. Like I said, we didn't take out the lows yet. And in a perfect scenario, we start to see a bounce like this. We make a new high here, a higher high, and the trend flips back to the upside. But we need to start to see some confirmation of that. We need to start to see some movement up, and we're just not quite seeing that yet. So we'll see. The only thing I can pay attention is the levels I have on my chart. And right now, like I said, 71,006 is one of those levels, as well as 72,326. That's this blue line right here. Those are the two levels right near the market. And if the market continues to get crushed, we're going to keep an eye on 61,275. 61,275 is a level of importance. And then above the market, no need to really talk about those. Those levels are still in play. We have a 79, a 75, 590. That's these levels right here. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Keep your eye on the low of the 20th. And maybe we'll bounce here. I have no clue. The only thing I'm doing is watching my levels here on the chart. If you take anything away from this video, it's be careful buying the dip. Just be careful with buying the dip, especially with individual cryptos. If you do it in the stock market, over time, the stock market has rises over time. So that's a different story. But just because a stock or a cryptocurrency is trending lower does not mean it'll ever come back to those prices that you're buying at. Yes, most cryptos, most stocks follow the index. They follow Bitcoin, but not all of them. So it's just not the game I want to be playing. Bitcoin, I like to buy strength. I want to see that there's big money coming in and they're buying for a reason. And I want to basically coattail what they do. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still playing the 60,205.47 level. That's right here, guys. You can see we've found support 1, 2, 3, 4, and then today we're actually above it. So Bitcoin looks like a better chart than Aerodrome. The initial low, we have support right here. We're starting to move higher. We need to get above 62,206 and 3/4. We need to get above that. And if we can do that, that's actually a pretty solid breakout. That would give us a higher high, higher low, higher high would have a change in trend back to the upside. So, hey, maybe that'll take place and it'll take Aerodrome back into the green with higher prices. So that's pretty much it here, guys. Heading into this Sunday, we'll see what happens. Aerodrome just had a pretty nasty downtick as we were filming there, but it is what it is. 62,206 and 3/4 is above the market for Bitcoin. 62,205.47 is below for Bitcoin. We're right in between there. And Aerodrome Finance needs to get back above 71,006 for starters. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet a part of the channel, go ahead and join us here. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Turn the bell on if you want to be notified when we upload videos. You guys have a great rest of your weekend. Take care.